Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. A lot of people ask me how to create a dashboard in Airtable. So I will show you how to create a dashboard in this video. Hope you watch to the end of the videos. You will see I have an example page here, the first name, last name, gender, country, age. Now to create a dashboard, I will show you very quickly. You click to the interface option. I already have a dashboard, but I will show you step by step. You could choose a new interface. You click next. I will choose it. Factorial Word. Alright, you can choose a desktop or mobile. I will choose desktop and I will choose the dashboard right here. I click next. Now you can choose the sheet number 1. Okay, now you can modify this dashboard. You have a female or male tables. They have a pivot table as well. Now I want to add a group. Sheet number 1, I want to add a chart right here. I want to have a bar chart relate to age. You can see here, I will choose age. Okay, now you have a bar chart from 31 years old to 58 years old. I will change this to a. I will remove this. Okay, I will do like this. I can add more group, maybe pie chart or donut chart. Let me see. I will choose a donut chart. This is a male or female. I will choose all the categories is country. Okay, you can see right here. Okay, you can add one more if you want. I will add one more chart is the line chart. Okay, for the line chart, I will choose other field. Let me see, country 8 and date. Let's see the age again. Okay, when you finish your adjustment, you can click publish here. I will publish. Okay, now you have a complete dashboard from your Airtable data. You see right here, it's very easy to understand. You can do some adjustment, add some table, pivot table, or timeline as well to match what you need. Okay, that's all my videos. If you see my videos was helpful, please give me a like and a subscribe. Drop a comment below if you want to ask me anything. I will see you in my next videos.